this wasn't working, guys. This is where I can make sure for this pictures. Please subscribe and like what it is. Never subscribe for more channels. I can keep always use me robots. But that is robots for today's account. I have a robots account. Sorry. So what is done, and I guess is the same. You can make this. So the simple was and you can make here to your all on like your bands on your life. She's doing up there, and so she's at the game, so you can wait to be doing it. So I can post this. So I think in this week this work, so she's at the game. So let's wait for 100. This. Okay, this already. So my tita is Philippine. It's I think these are not the way we work because my tita is Philippine and we have to go to. Okay, let's find some clothes. Minutes for my avatar. This. It was okay for me. So you can do this to your own new one. So with these, curious, serious, this, and you can do just I can't miss them here, but not this. I pretty good for the maid. But I'm sure this videos please subscribe. This is links by for my thing. I think you not subscribe because I am do this too my work, right? So did you finish? Let's make some stickers. Did you see this stickers? Okay, you can define everybody. Also I want this, and let's climb here. Okay, let's decorate again and I want for like that, she's beautiful. Yes. So I can. So let's decorate this with that. This. So not. Yes. These look like pretty cute. Let's make it. Let's see what is cute. No one's like cute. Okay, let's borrow. Faces. Skinner. Here. Okay, let's see here.
Hello. Don't get me dirty. Love on me. She cannot come with. I just got a dick. Double up with me. If you fuck with me. Yeah, I'm that nigga from the old.
It's come, guys. Please don't ruin it that. Please, guys, don't ruin it. Do not get some robots. say? Neck. Let's pick the neck. What's it? It's not a protein. This looks like cute. Okay, ayun, this is the finish. And pick the download.
Hello. Don't get me dirty. Love on me. She cannot come with. I just got a dick. Double up with me. If you fuck with me. Yeah, I'm that nigga from the old.
And I don't have any question. What did you say? And I don't want a face reveal. Do I may want? So first continue your until next create and go to the series and click the t-shirts and this is you and do the cats. Okay, let's do that. I think I didn't have any relax once, but I think this is a work. Where's my Roblox? Where's my Roblox here? Roblox! 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 Where's that? I'm looking for Roblox. I want to play Roblox. OMG. I can specific to Roblox with me. One Roblox. So these are my radius. So please join me so I can make my group. So please join my group and I will make sure to so I can do this. I can my friend Alexa, she's so many Robuxes I can back my own user. So let's go to these are my friend.
So I will solve one too.
So
I will
she's
videos.
so she's
I will zoom the pic. She plays Roblox. She plays Roblox. I don't know what she plays. Look. But look. She goes in the group.
okay.
Here. Oh, we look it. Look. She video. Look at. You see? See it? See it? Look. Look at that. You see it? The color.
Okay guys, please. I not hope but I okay wait a minute, I can watch that. So guys, that's trending the part so I can watch the part. Please, this are next day for secret. So goodbye for all and thanks for watching for these videos and don't forget to subscribe to my link bar and I can buy your summer Robux. Bye!